Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Ayushman, currently pursuing my Bachelor's of Engineering at Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today we will be studying about topic sustainable urban air pollution management, some of the solid waste management strategies, sustainable disposal methods, and etc. We will be studying about Module 2 and Civil Engineering. Let's start our slide with our first topic, which is sustainable urban air pollution management. Managing air pollution in urban areas requires a comprehensive approach that targets both human-made and natural sources. This includes promoting alternate transportation, improving the industrial processes, and investing in research and development of better air quality monitoring and solutions. Then urban air pollution. In this series, we will be studying about many of the air pollution management series. Then reducing vehicle emissions. We can also reduce air pollution by reducing the vehicle emissions, like alternate transportation, cleaner fuels, or proper maintenance. In alternate transportation, encourage the use of public transport by walking, cycling through improved infrastructure and accessibility. Then cleaner fuels. Promote the adoption of the electric, hybrid, and other low-emission vehicles through incentives and regulations. We can use the cleaner fuels, or we can use the public transport by using our own personal transport, so that we can easily reduce the vehicle emission. Proper maintenance. Implement stricter vehicle inspection and maintenance programs to reduce the emission from the existing vehicles. Here we can see, like if we use a personal vehicle, it will take only one person or one vehicle at a time. But if we use the and fuel emissions will be there. And if we use the public transport, there will be more people, like 40-50 people traveling in the bus, or 30 people we can expect traveling in the bus, but with a single bus fuel emission. So that's why we can easily, in this point we can see that alternate transportation means we should use the public transportation, so that reducing fuel emissions, which will save the air pollution. Then greening industrial processes, cleaner technology, regulatory incentives, R&D for innovation and collaboration. Cleaner technologies encourage industries to invest in advanced emission reduction technologies and best practices. Then regulatory incentives. Introduce the regulations and incentives to motivate industries to reduce their environmental impact. Then R&D for innovation. Fund research and development efforts to find a new solution for sustainable industrial processes. Then collaboration. Foster partnerships between industries, government, and communities to address the air pollution hostility. Then the next slide shows us comprehensive solid waste management. What is solid waste management? Like solid waste management includes water, waste reduction, waste treatment, and waste collection. We also studied these subjects or these topics in the waste management subject. That waste reduction. What is waste reduction? This promotes 3R. What are 3R? 3R the reduce, reuse, and recycle to minimize the waste generation at the source. Then waste treatment. Implement the sustainable waste treatment methods such as recycling, composting, and safe disposal in sanitary landfills. Then waste collection, last point. Establish an efficient waste collection system to gather the transport waste to treatment or disposal facilities. As you can see in solid waste management system, we can see waste reduction. To reduce the waste, we usually what we can do, we can recycle the products, we can reuse the products, or etc. Here written that reduce the product, we can reduce the use of the product. Then waste treatment. Whatever the waste is generated, we can treat it so that it does not harm our nature or harm our body or etc. Then waste collection. Establishing efficient waste collection system to gather and transport waste to treatment or disposal facilities. Then importance of solid waste management includes environmental protection, public health, resource recovery, and aesthetic benefits. Environmental protection. Proper solid waste management prevents soil, water, and air pollution to be preserves the natural resources and environment. Then public health. Effective waste disposal method reduce the spread of diseases and breeding of diseases carrying pests. Then third point, resource recovery. Recycling and composting waste can recover valuable resources and reduce the need of landfills. Then Aesthetic benefits. Keeping cities clean and free of litter enhances the visual appeal and livability of the urban areas. As you can see, there are generally 4 points mentioned in the solid waste management. Environmental protection, public health. What is environmental protection? Protecting the environment. Then what is public health? Taking care of the public health or implementing various measures to take care of public health. Then resource recovery. Recovery of the resource. Then aesthetic benefits are the new generations or the latest benefits what we can take. Now, next point. Next point is solid waste sources and types. Residential, industrial, commercial, and institutional. Here are solid waste sources from which where solid waste produces. It can be produced by residential means homes, household waste including food, plastic, paper and yard trimmings. Industrial waste including factories, manufacturers, waste construction, demolition, debris, hazardous materials and etc. Then commercial waste from hotels, restaurants, shops, office buildings or including packaging. Institutional like schools, colleges, hospitals, prisons, government facilities and etc. Then waste management strategies, which includes reduce, reuse, recycle, and dispose. Reduce means reducing the waste generation production through behavioral changes or in the product design. Reusing is using the product again and again so that we can use the product again, finding new uses for items. Recycle is recovering and reprocessing of materials from waste into new products. Then disposal is safely disposing the waste which cannot be reused, reused, or recycled. Then sustainable disposal method, which includes incineration, composting, and sanitary landfills. Burning waste to reduce the volume and recover energy when done safely is called as incineration. Incineration generally means burning of the waste so that energy can be produced and we can easily take the energy and we can use. Composting, biological decomposition of the organic waste in nutrient-rich soil is amendment. Then sanitary landfills, engineered disposal sites that prevent pollution and enable gas capture. Many of the places we have installed the sanitary landfills which is done by engineers so that a block of box or block of area is taken, then maximum of the waste is then put down, then we can easily take the so that we can easily enable gas capture, we can capture the gas from that waste. Then implementing comprehensive waste management. Stakeholder engagement involve the community, business, and government in planning, implementation. Infrastructure development build the necessary collection. Transportation and treatment facilities. Regulatory framework establish policy standards and incentives to guide the sustainable practices. Public awareness educate the citizens on importance of proper waste management and their jobs, and etc. The path to the cleaner, healthier, and the urban future, which includes 4 points: integrated approach, continuous innovation, collaborative governments, and public engagement. First one includes addressing air pollution and solid waste management together for great impact, integrated approach. Then continuous innovation includes investing the research and development to find new and more effective solutions. Then collaborative governance, fostering the partnership between government and industry and communities. Then public engagement. How many public or citizens participate in this support sustainable practices is called as public engagement. That's all for the today's slide. If you have any doubt, you can contact or write a comment. Thank you. That's all for today.